Okay, so now this is PhotoFun. I'll change to English here, and let me enter my password. Okay. So this is the home. Here you can download the PrintFun app for Windows and Mac, and it works as a printer server. So you just let it open, and it will print the photos that you submit to printing on this web page. And here on events is where you create all your events. I'm going to create a new event, test event. I'm going to select the date. This is more for your organization. So, okay. And now we have the photo types. So, Polaroid. And here you can submit any other mosaic. Okay, so I'm going to just choose normal. This is also for your organization. You can disable the AI effect, so it's going to be just a plain photo. So I'm not going to check this. And here you can show the effect after capturing the photos. So I'll leave this on. If you're going to print, you can choose this, and the client can choose what type will be printed, what photo. So only originals AI. So this is the default, and if I click here, the user will be able to choose after the capture and the display of the AI effect. I can limit the number of prints during the whole event, and I can also limit the maximum number of copies. So let's say each run can only print 2 photos. I can even add the QR code when printing, so you don't need to show the QR code, and you just deliver printed photos with the QR code, so they can download it scanning the QR code on the printed photo. And here I do not present the QR code, so this means usually it's done like this. If you're going to only show the QR code when printing, do not present on the screen, so that doesn't give you a big queue if there's so many people trying to take a photo then in line. Then you can just not present QR code and print the photo with the QR code, and then they can download whenever. So I'll just keep this, and I will not add QR code. Okay, save event. This is the event. We don't have any photos yet. I'm gonna take one, just simple as this. This is a web browser. We recommend Firefox. So I'm gonna allow my camera, and here I am. I'm gonna take a photo. All this countdown, every message is customized. Okay, looks great. Saving the file, identifying the people. Okay, this is the QR code, so you can scan this QR code right now. So even if the photo is not ready, the user can scan it and just leave if they want, if you're not printing. Okay, this is the final effect. It works for multiple people as well. And I'll close this. And now it's going to ask which one do I want to print. I can select the original one or the one with effect. And I'll close because I don't want to print right now. Here you can change language. And here in settings, we can change the countdown of the photo. say to 3 seconds. I can mirror the image. So if you have a camera that's upside down or any other position, or like this, then you can rotate as well. Usually use high resolution. This is more with your, if your internet is bad and your bandwidth is low, you go for low, but usually is recommended to keep on high. If you're taking a sequence of photos, let's say a strip of 3 photos, if you want to press to take photo each time, or you can just manually automatically after each photo, it will be taken without the need to press take photo. Oh, this is an extra orientation, and this is the flash, so the screen is going to be white while I'm capturing, and this is a beep. You can choose the camera right here. I'm going to lower to 1 second, and also on interface you can activate or do not activate the messages, and how much seconds do you want to show each message. And this is the slideshow on the end. If you take more than one picture, we show the slideshow of the result. And here you have some shortcuts, so you can use everything through a keyboard. I'm just gonna close this and take one more picture with okay, see, white. I liked it, and same thing will happen. QR code is going to be available here for scanning. This QR code right now, it's leading to the PhotoFun website, but we can change this to a generic QR code domain. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I don't want to print, so close. And if you want to see the last photo, then the QR code, it's here. Okay. Oh, and the printer is offline. It's showing right here because the printer is offline. Well, and we cannot print. So this is a message. Okay. Every time if you select that you want to print and the printer is offline, this message will show. Okay. You can also see right here that the printer is offline, and this is how many devices I have online for capturing. So this is one device here. If I have another one in my cell phone, it's going to show 2 devices here. Okay, so we're going to customize. Okay, this is customizing capture. So we have style. It's just a background change or cartoon. We're going to add styles here. This is AI scenario, so it's just for one person. And this you can create your own. Okay, so this is the ones that I've created previously. I'll show you that in another video. You create it right here with a prompt or an image as a reference. Here you can add a portrait for overlay. Okay, so you have to send in both formats if you want to be able to take pictures on both formats, orientations. Okay, and this is if you want to change the background, it's also suggested to send in both. Okay, if you're going to change the orientation of the camera. Also here in delivery, this button is a fake button. Okay, and it goes it would say find the photo master booth for printing your picture. Okay, so this displays a print, but it only shows the message. It means it helps the user know that they can print, but they need to search the booth for printing. The user never can print on their own, except on the totem or on the screen that I showed you previously. Okay, so this goes up, everything you change here is automatically change this, the preview here. And I can also use an alternative delivery domain. So this is the QR code. It's going to change for click for photos, which is not related to our website. And you can display your social media here or your clients. Select the color, upload a image here for, let me see if we have something. Okay, I'll just use this one. So it's going to upload here. This is your logo or your client's logo. The gallery page is for showing all the images and the QR codes. So I'm gonna click here just you to see. This is a big page we call the gallery. So I can change how many columns I have here. If I have many pictures, I'm just going to update this and update, and this will update automatically. So now if you have many pictures, if you have it depends on your screen, and so if you're going to add more columns or not. Okay, going back to customize delivery, I can display the logo, and I can see this is both the original and the AI. If I don't want to show the original ones, I can just click here, and I can set all this as default for my account. So I'm going to update delivery, and you see that now only the AI photos are being shown here. Okay, that pretty much covers the main functionality. On this screen here, you can show the QR code, and just in case a user has lost, forgotten, and want to get it back. You can reprocess if something does not seems right. See, this is going to reprocess, so it takes some seconds. This is your logo. Okay, so right here, if you are printing, it's going to show all the different print options right here. Okay, and here you can see the images in full screen. And okay, so you can send a photo also manually. So let me see if I can find a photo right here. For example, I'll upload it, and it's going to be processed. So you don't need to, if your client sends you a photo, you can just try it right here instead of taking pictures. Okay, we have the slideshow as well. See, it's going to be showing the slideshow of the photos that we've taken, the original one, the AI, and the QR code of the one that's being shown. See, the AI. And also here, let me close this one. See, this is the new photo that just came in, and it's going to be shown right here next. Okay, the original one and the AI one in sequence. Okay. Oops. Okay, and we have the gallery. This link can be shared with the client, so everyone can just view and download. This is what is shown for the user. They can download it, view it, or scan the QR code to be downloaded in another cell phone. Okay.